How to turn off screen with shortcut in Linux? Since my monitor takes an awful lot of time to turn back on after being physically turned off, I'm looking for a command or a simple utility to turn off my screen with a shortcut. Setting a black screensaver is not satisfactory. I want the screen to hibernate, the same effect I would get by turning off the computer while leaving the screen physically on. The same question for Windows. How can I make my screen blank by a shortcut?
Try using to force the screen to turn off.
I made a file called /home/me/bin/blank and made it executable, chmod plus x blank, with the following in it. Then I set a shortcut in GNOME 3 application keyboard, GNOME Control Center keyboard, to run that script when I push Ctrl plus Alt plus Q. Man, I love Linux.
I use Alex Cabal script to turn my two monitor screens off and on, and it works very fine for me.
You can go to your distro's settings, and add a shortcut equals NGT, putting the command, xset dpms force off, then put a hotkey say F9. That's it. Whenever you hit the hotkey, your monitor's screen will turn off.
Review, så simpelt kan det lese kan sikkert subskribing.